Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. This is Akanksha Pandey. I am your subject teacher of science and I am assistant teacher at LPM Public School. Students, I hope you and your family will fine in this pandemic days. And students, as we know that your chapter number 5, the name of this chapter soil is in proceeding, and in my previous video lecture I have already explained the many topic, the topic of what is the soil and types of soil and composition of soil and soil erosion, and now today we will discuss about soil conservation. And in this video I am going to explain about the soil conservation, but before this I have revised previous topic. Your first topic is soil. As we know that soil is the upper layer of the earth's surface. Soil consists in it the many types of minerals and dead particle of animals and human beings and plants also, and air and water also. And there are three types of soil, that is sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. As we know that the sandy soil feels like the rough, and the clay soil is the soft soil, and loamy soil is full with the fertility. And loamy soil is the very important for our plants because we get the loamy soil in the topsoil of the earth. And as we know that there are in your syllabus the composition of soil is also given. The composition of soil is the first is the sand. Sand is the largest particle of the soil, and next is the clay. Clay is the smallest particle of the soil. And students, as we know that the three layer of the earth, first is topsoil, next is subsoil, and third is bedrock. Topsoil is the full with a lot of fertility, and subsoil is the full with the particle of the rocks, small particle of the rocks, and bedrock is the full with a large number of rocks. So students, next topic is soil erosion. As we know that when the soil by the hard wind and hard rainfall transferred from one place to another place, that is called soil erosion. And soil erosion is the process of removal of the soil fertility from the topsoil. This is called the soil erosion. And now this is your new topic, soil conservation, and let us discuss about the soil conservation. And firstly, let us come and discuss what is the soil conservation. Soil conservation is the prevention of loss of the topmost layer of the soil from erosion or prevention of reduced fertility caused by over usage. It means soil conservation is the prevention of loss of the topmost layer of the soil. It means soil conservation वो प्रोसेस है जिसके द्वारा हम जितने भी हमारे सॉइल इरोजन के थ्रू जितने भी लॉस हुए हैं उनको कैसे रोका जाए. And students, when plants die they decay and become part of the soil. Plants जब destroy हो जाते हैं then become part of the soil. And students, if we define the soil conservation in one line, then we can say protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. It means protection of soil means soil को protect करना erosion से, यह soil conservation कहलाता है. So this is the also definition of soil conservation. protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. And student, there are certain steps that we can take to conserve soil. यहाँ पे कुछ स्टेप्स दिए गए हैं सॉइल को कंजर्व करने के लिए. फर्स्ट इज मोर नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज शुड बी प्लांटेड टू रिप्लेस द वंस दैट आर कट डाउन. इट मीन्स मोर नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज शुड बी प्लांट बाय ओन. मीन्स हमारे द्वारा बहुत सारे प्लांट्स ट्रीज प्लांटेड करने चाहिए एंड रिप्लेस करने चाहिए जब भी हम उन्हें काटते हैं, because the plants help to the water conservation. And next, trees and bushes should be planted in open land. This practice does not allow the wind to blow full force and take away the soil. Trees and bushes should be planted means हमें trees और bushes plant इसलिए खुले एरिया में ज़रूर करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये तेज़ हवा और वाटरफॉल से, जब भी रेनफॉल होता है, बहुत अधिक वाटरफॉल होता है, देन सॉइल को वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस ट्रांसफर्ड होने से रोकता है. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, योर थर्ड स्टेप्स इज फ्लोइंग वाटर कैन इजली वॉश अवे अ लॉट ऑफ टोपोसिल्स. फ्लोइंग वाटर मीन्स रनिंग वाटर इजली वॉश अवे, बहुत आसानी से अपने साथ टोपोसिल्स को रिमूव कर ले जाता है अपने साथ, जिससे जितने भी फर्टिलिटी होती है सॉइल की वो उनके साथ चली जाती हैं. सो डैम शुड बी बिल्ड अक्रॉस रिवर टू प्रिवेंट फ्लूड्स. इसलिए हमें रिवर्स पे डैम बिल्ड करना चाहिए जिससे फ्लूड्स से बचा जा सकता है. मीन्स वो ए लॉट नंबर ऑफ रनिंग वाटर्स वी कैन प्रिवेंट बाय द डैम. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, this is your new topic and this is your important topic, soil conservation. But this topic, before this topic discussion, we have learnt about the soil erosion, what is the soil, types of soil and types of and composition of soil. And I hope you all are understand about the soil conservation. So let us revise. The soil conservation is the protection of soil from erosion is known as the soil conservation. And students, there are 3 steps given here for the soil conservation and also how we can take to conserve soil. There are 3 steps given. Thanks a lot students for watching this video, and I hope we will meet again in next video. Take care for yourself. Thanks a lot.